Okay, today in Peaceful Paper Moments, I'm going to be working on a project I started last weekend with Clare Chavill in Great Britain. She sent some board, manufactured board, I'm not sure what it's actually called, and we made a double album out of this hard board, and it fits a big album here and a small album here. And I liked the box so much, I just spray painted my box, or spray painted the pieces ahead of time. Well, I decided to copy the box and do it out of mat board. So I'm going to be doing a couple process videos, and the one I'm working on today is, I think it's, I don't know, something about cherries. And I've gone ahead and made the pieces first, and then they're going to fit in here. This has a acrylic cover, and because I made it of not the board but mat board, I made a frame that goes over the top of the box, and it will be held with magnets, and this will be decorated, and that's part of my process. But it has, the albums have different size pages, and I'm going to make two albums. The one out of the hardwood, I'm going to make a Hawaiian theme, since we're going to Hawaii in just less than a month. And then, so all this black card will be covered with Hawaiian paper. And today's work will be with this cherry pie. So I want to show you that you can make the box all black, or I mean the album all black, or you can do what I do, which is, let's see, which is the top and bottom, which is decorate them first and then put them in the album. I find that much easier. So that's my process of decorating the pages, which are graduated sizes, and then putting the pages on. So that's what I'm going to be doing during our Peaceful Moments. And it'll probably take me a couple weeks in Peaceful Moments for these beautiful albums that Claire designed. And I know she's redoing this workshop. She'll be redoing this workshop in May, I think, if you want to take it. Now, inside the pocket pages, that's what I'm working on. There's going to be a pull-out, and the pull-out will have acrylic on it, and they are going to be attached and have places for like a policy envelope. So I've gone ahead and all at once made my policy envelope circles. I have 3 black pieces glued together and a colored piece, and I have holes pierced into them, and I have enough for all the pockets to have 3, and then a few more left over if I want to add additional policy pockets. So I'm inviting you to see my process, and if you like the process, you can join Claire's class in May. And starting in July, I'm going to open up my home again at least once a month. So if you want to craft together, so if there's something that I've been working on that you would like to do, I'll gladly help you along in the process. Meanwhile, Peaceful Moments is just a time to gather and craft together. So feel free to join me on Zoom on Thursday mornings. All for now. God bless.